My name is Andrew, and this is Rogue Wrenching. Today, we are going to tear into this lovely project, which, as you can see, I've gotten it back into the garage, so we are ready to get going on tearing it apart. But here's what I want you to see, is the back of the frame is sitting level and flat on a couple of jack stands. And that tire is that far off the ground because the frame is that bent. So this is going to be fun. We're going to tear into this thing, start peeling some parts off of it, and getting it ready to be cut up. Because the plan is to pull all the usable parts out of it. So that's, you know, the seats, the fuel tank, you know, some of the braking system, stuff like that, the windshield, and put it into the other sandrail frame. But because we have to stretch the other frame, we're going to end up cutting up this frame to supply the parts for that. So there's a lot of stuff that has to come off here. It's quite the project, but that's where we're at for today. We're gonna tear it apart and see what goodies we can find on this old thing. Here's what we're looking at here, is right in here where there's the paint peeling off and the tube is bent. So I would say most of the damage is from this bar forward. We got some goodies off of it so far. Aluminum fuel tank, steering shaft with a quick disconnect steering wheel, grab handle, a kind of a tarp front cover deal, a tow bar, and lots of other goodies still on the rail, but the seats are welded in, so that is going to be fun to cut those out. That's going to have to be its own separate video. Don't forget to subscribe, and also I'm giving away $100. Check out the video right here if that's something that might interest you. And thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.